Want to make your money work harder for you? In this video, we'll uncover the best high-yield savings accounts for 2024 and their benefits. Stick around to see how you can maximize your savings. You're about to discover how to earn up to 5.2% APY on your savings with no minimum deposits, no monthly fees, and instant access to your cash. Let's dive right in. High-yield savings accounts are a fantastic way to grow your savings faster than traditional accounts. As at the time of this video, here are 5 top options in 2024 offering over a 5% APY return on USD savings accounts. Number 1. My Banking Direct offers a 5.55% return on its high-yield savings account. Number 2. TabBank offers a 5.27% return. Number 3. UFB Direct offers a 5.25% return. Number 4. Trading 212 offers a 5.2% return. Number 5. Laurel Road offers a 5.15% return on USD accounts. Offering over 4% return on GBP accounts are UK digital banks, Revolut and Monzo. Revolut offers a 4.75% return, while Monzo provides a 4.1% return on GBP accounts. It's important to note that these returns are in APY, annual percentage yield, and some of these providers pay the interest daily or monthly depending on their structure. All these accounts have no minimum deposit requirements, no monthly maintenance fees, allow instant withdrawals, and have your deposits FDIC insured. High-yield savings accounts are an excellent way to grow your money faster without taking on extra risk. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, building an emergency fund, or simply want to grow your pot, they are convenient to use and grow your wealth.